Did you know that at RX Safety, you can get your new or existing frame mounted with all types of lined bifocal lenses through our lens replacement service? We offer different types of bifocal lenses for all occupations and preferences, with varying materials and colors. Choose from flat top bifocals in FT28, FT35, and FT45, along with round segs and executive bifocals in the material of your choice. Once you've made your selection, indicate your frame type. Describe your frame by including its make, model, shape, and color. Add your prescription information. Select your lens material, lens color, coatings. Tell us if you'll provide or purchase a shipping label, and review your order before adding it to your cart. RX Safety makes it easy to customize your lenses even after you've purchased them. If you need bifocals or any type of lens added to your existing pair of glasses, click the link down below or find our lens replacement service on our website at rx-safety.com.